Children, today I will explain you a lesson from James English Reader, Chapter 7, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Once upon a time, there were four little rabbits lived with their mother. In a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fig tree. Their names were Peter, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. One morning, Mother Rabbit told them, I am going out. You can play in the field, but don't go in McGregor's garden. And don't get into any troubles. Then she took her umbrella and went through the forest to the baker's shop. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to collect blackberries. Peter was very naughty. He ran towards McGregor's garden. He squeezed under the gate. First, he ate some lettuce leaves, then beans, then some radishes. Then, feeling rather sick, he ate some leafy herbs. While taking round near the cucumber frame, he saw Mr. McGregor planting young cabbages. He ran after Peter with a rake, calling out, Stop, thief! Peter was frightened. He rushed all over the garden. He forgot the way back to gate. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe amongst the potatoes. Suddenly he ran into a gooseberry net and got caught by the large button on his blue jacket. Peter thought he would never free again from the net and started crying. Mr. McGregor came up with a sieve which he planned to use to catch Peter, but Peter wriggled out just in time by leaving his jacket behind him. He rushed into the tool shed and jumped into a water can. McGregor was sure that Peter was in the tool shed. He began to turn each pot carefully, but unexpectedly Peter sneezed. Mr. McGregor saw and was after him. He tried to put his foot upon Peter, but Peter escaped through the window. The window was too small for McGregor, and he was tired of running after Peter. So he went back to his wife. After taking rest, Peter again searched around the garden to escape. He found a door in a wall, but it was locked. Then he tried to find his way straight across the garden, but he became more and more confused. He came to a pond where Mr. McGregor filled his water cans. A white cat was staring at some goldfishes. Peter thought it best to go away without speaking to her. He heard about the cats from his cousin. So he went back towards the tool shed, but suddenly he heard the noise of a gardening tool. Mr. McGregor was planting onions. Peter ran as fast as possible behind the blackcurrant bushes. When he reached at the corner, Mr. McGregor saw him, but Peter did not care. He slipped underneath the grate and reached in the forest outside the garden.